In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate TikTok ads in just 5 minutes. Getting started with TikTok ads might seem like navigating through a maze if you're new to the platform, but worry not. I'll guide you through a straightforward process that will have you up and running with your first ad in no time. First off, hop onto your browser and head to the TikTok ads homepage. This is where your journey begins. You'll find a wealth of options and resources here, but for now your focus should be on getting logged in. This means finding and clicking the login button prominently displayed on the page. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you input the credentials associated with your TikTok ads account. For security reasons, it's important to ensure you're entering your details on the official TikTok ads site, so double check that URL. After entering your email and password, hit the login button. You're not quite done yet. You'll likely encounter a CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a robot. Go through this short verification process and click Confirm to proceed. This step is crucial for the security of your account and to keep the platform safe from automated spam. Next, there's an additional layer of security. You'll receive a code sent to your email by TikTok. Find that code, then return to the TikTok ads site and enter it. This two-step verification is a great way to keep your account secure, so make sure your email is accessible and secure. Once you've successfully logged in and verified your account, it's time to get down to business. Navigate to the campaign section. You might have noticed there's an aesthetic and user-friendly layout awaiting you, complete with a guiding image to help you through this part of the process. Our next step involves going a bit deeper into the ads creation process. Click on Ad within the campaign section. You'll notice the interface is intuitive, designed to guide you through the ad creation process effortlessly. Images on the site help illustrate what you should be looking for, making it easy to follow along. Now take a moment to click on Edit Draft. This is where the magic begins. You're taking your first real step towards crafting your ad content. It's all about creativity and strategy from here on out. Following that, you'll encounter the video drop-down button. This is your gateway to selecting the type of ad you wish to create. TikTok offers various ad formats, and this drop-down will help you navigate through your options effortlessly. Once you've pondered over the choices and made your selection, click on Create. This is where you start bringing your ad to life. Every creative choice from here on dictates how your audience will perceive and interact with your ad. The next prompt will be to generate video. This is an exciting part. Whether you're uploading an existing piece of content or creating something new, this step is where your creative vision starts taking shape. And speaking of bringing your vision to life, you'll reach a point where you have to upload your video or image. This is a critical step. The content you choose to upload should reflect your brand's message clearly and appealingly, engaging your target audience. After uploading, you'll click on Generate Video once more. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's all part of the process to ensure your content is optimized and ready for the TikTok audience. The culmination of your hard work comes when you select your generated video to upload. This video or image is what users will see as they scroll through TikTok. It's your chance to capture attention, make an impression, and drive action. Finally, the last step in this process is to click Confirm. By doing this, you're not just confirming the upload of your video or image, you're confirming your entry into the world of TikTok advertising, a vibrant space filled with potential customers waiting to discover what you have to offer. There you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to generating TikTok ads. Remember, crafting compelling ads takes practice, creativity, and an understanding of your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best with your target market. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you the best of luck with your TikTok advertising endeavors. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it.